Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've actually got this 2017 Subaru WRX Premium. I literally just got back from filming the full review on this car, so if you haven't seen it already, that's where I talk about all the different specs and everything done to this car. I'll leave the link on top of the video right now. Also, definitely be sure to subscribe if you guys haven't already, because once I hit 1,500 subscribers, I'm still doing that giveaway. I'm going to be doing my very first giveaway on the channel, where I'm pretty much just going to be giving away $100 worth of my merchandise to one subscriber and one subscriber only. But anyways, guys, now I'm going to actually strap the GoPro on the top of my head, take this thing out for a drive, and basically just, you know, film my POV. Actually switched it from Sport Plus or Sport Sharp to Sport mode, so now it's kind of shifting by itself when I upshift, and it revs it all the way up. Definitely revs much higher than where I was shifting at before. Yeah, and that blow-off valve just sounds amazing. switch it over to drive and then turn sport mode off. Thing is very calm, but when you put it in sport and I guess switch it over to the manual, it's definitely a lot of fun to drive. I'm actually going to switch it back over to manual as well as regular sport mode. This thing being all-wheel drive, and you can feel like all 4 tires just grip. Feels very fun to drive this thing, and it's not even like an STI either, which is kind of funny. I feel like a lot of people rip on the regular WRXs because they're not STIs, but this one is very tastefully modified, to say the least. Guys, it's pretty much just gonna wrap up today's video. Again, if you haven't seen already, definitely go, be sure to click the link and go to the full review that I actually did on this Subaru, because I go over all the different, you know, modifications and different things that the owner actually has done to this car, because this car again is not stock. But like always guys, thank you for all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next one.